Welcome to another Bacon Defenders video, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to escape the under upside down. Okay, the upside down escape mode. Yeah, and here's my Malay friend, and he will be uh, playing us here. So the first thing is you didn't need to craft and make a raft like fastly into the game. You just gotta like chill and gotta look around yourself. If you see materials that can make useful stuff for survival, like group bundles, just go for them. Or if possible, just try bring plastic because wait, wrong one. And bread, yeah, bread, plastic, and rope bundles with you because these are like really useful. Right, Mazim. Otherwise, okay, try. Oh, another thing is bring as much block you as possible, or else you will just oh help help. Wait! I survived. Okay. Give me my bread. Give me my bread. Okay, thank you. God dang it. Try to be above water as much as possible, because you're gonna be like me. And okay, catchy situation right here. Alright, see an escape hole. Okay, so there, you gotta go up that. Holy, this is a parkour. Yeah, I know. Man, I'm dead. God dang it. Oh, oh, God, shoot. Okay. Oh, okay. If you reach here, then you're pretty much just uh, alive, because you have a ton of supplies over here, and you like have a lot more breathing space other than the other levels. You also have the preparation time for you to escape, and a lot more materials. Uh, I think my my raft can survive and go up that small hole there. I think no. Wait. Okay, gotta bring bread. The important thing about this is bread. Yeah, I'm not joking. It's bread. And okay, try to bring as much bread as you can, at least like 2. Okay. Oh God. Okay, bring my bread. And if you reach here, you're pretty much just alive, because the water is not acid or lava anymore, and uh, yeah, this is pretty much it. And all you gotta do is wait a little bit and for the water to rise, and maybe just do something like this. Yeah, easy. it won't work. Yeah, just do something like, oh, it's glitching. And um, hmm, yeah, just let the water go up and just hop on a crafting table. Yeah, and that's like pretty much all of it. So yeah, I did this in a private server, but I didn't know that you guys do it in a public server. Yeah, yeah, nice. This is the second time I've ever done this. Yeah, and this is the end of this video. Subscribe to me and credits to my friend for bringing in my video. Yeah, bye bye. See you in my next videos and good luck. So here we have so here I'm gonna draw a map of the upside down map in flooded area, okay? So it will be like this and like this. There will be like this and like this. So what you gotta do is, this is you right here. You gotta go up here and bring bread with you. Looks like a broccoli and some rope bundles with you. You gotta go up over here and gotta wait for the water to rise. And when the water rises over here, you you gotta flow with the objects that flow up, and you gotta avoid all the obstacles and float. And when you reach, oh yeah, when you reach here, there will be like a way for you to go up over here, and then, hmm, and then all the way up over here, there will be like a really big cave, and there will be water flowing up. The materials over here are stones, mainly stones. You gotta save the bread. This is you. And you gotta save all the bread that you have gotten. The rope bundles too, because the rope bundles can be useful in keeping and making a raft so that you can go to, so that you can escape the water with it. And there will be a small hole over here for you. And where does it lead? And there's gonna be, and it's gonna be a parkour with you. Gotta jump over here, and up until you go to the final stage. So the final stage is after you've done the parkour and you've reached the final stage. There will be like a lots of materials, and there will be, at the top there will be a hole for you. All you got to do is survive all the lava. this is lava. Wait. Oh. Yeah, never mind. This will be at first will be water, and then it will slowly turn into lava. But in there you have like a lot of of work of working space and materials to work with. All you gotta do is survive the lava and last until you flow up this hole. There will be like a lot of materials like light, stones, wood, and metals, and even sometimes bread. Really useful. And then, hmm, and then you appear in the, you will go up in a hole here, and there will be like a, a big cliff that you can climb over here. There will be a tree over here, and this is you over here. My painting skills with mouse is like really bad, and all you gotta do is wait for the water to rise over here, and you get the money. There are 3 money bags over here, and some bread for you. You gotta go up over here by waiting. So this will be really easy in a small server because there's no people trying to steal resources from you. But if you wanna do it in the hard way, then yeah, just go ahead, because why not? I did this in a private server, so it's easy. No one is stealing resources from me, and I can freely do anything. Yeah, and this is for this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, learn anything new, and good luck. See you in my next videos.